Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Genshin Impact not launching problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. This video will be a bit long as I show 8 different solution methods. The reason why there are so many solution methods is that we do not know exactly what caused this problem we are experiencing. Our first solution is to update our video card. To do this, we need to download the driver for our video card. I will put the download link of these drivers in the description. From there you can download the program of the video card you are using and update your video card. After updating your video card, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to open Genshin Impact from the file location. To do this, we enter Epic Games. Then click on Library. Click on the 3 dots. Then click on Manage. Click on the folder icon. We opened Genshin Impact's file location. Now we will find Genshin Impact.x. We found Genshin Impact.x. Now you can try to run the game from here and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to verify Genshin Impact's files. To do this, we click on the 3 dots next to our game. Then click on Manage. After doing this, we click on Verify. Our game files have been verified. Now you can open Genshin Impact and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to complete the missing DLL files on our computer. To do this, we go to the file location of Genshin Impact. Then we find the vcreatus 2013 by 64.x file and click it. Then we tick I agree to the license terms and conditions. After doing this, we click on Install. Here, if this program is already installed on your computer, you should receive a warning like this. If it is not installed, you can continue with the installation process. After installing this program, there is one more program that we need to download. I will put the download link of this program in the description section. You can enter the site from there. After entering the site, you need to click on the x64 link if your computer is 64-bit, or the x86 link if it is 32-bit. If you do not know the bit of your computer, you can find out by typing dxdiag in the search section of your computer. After clicking the link, the download starts automatically. Our file has been downloaded. Now we can start the installation. We tick the I agree to the license terms and conditions. After doing this, we click on Install. Installation is complete. Now we need to restart our computer. I'm not going to do this because I'm recording video, but you have to. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to disable background running services. To do this, we come to the search section and write run. Then we write msconfig. After doing this, we click on Services. Then we click on Hide all Microsoft services. After doing this, we click on Disable all. We click Apply and then click OK. Now you need to restart your computer. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our sixth solution. Our sixth solution is to turn off full screen optimization. To do this, we go to the file location of Genshin Impact. Then we find the Genshin Impact.x file and right-click it. After doing this, we click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. We tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then we click Apply and then click OK. Now you can enter Genshin Impact and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our seventh solution. Our seventh solution is to delete junk files. To do this, we come to the search section and write %temp%. Then we select all the files here. We delete the files after selecting them. We tick do this for all current items and click continue. We tick do this for all current items again and click skip. We cleaned the junk files on our computer. Now you can open Genshin Impact and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our final solution. Our 8th solution is to update Windows. To do this, we come to the search section and write settings. Then click on Windows Update. As you can see, my Windows is not up to date. If yours is not up to date, do this update. After updating Windows, you can check if the problem is solved or not. In addition to these solutions, if you are using it, you can turn off your anti-cheat program and antivirus program and try to solve the problem. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.